Hi guys, today I am going to show you unboxing of HP 15, the new 7th generation i5 laptop. Okay, let's unbox it. You can see the specs. It has 7th generation Intel Core i5 7200 processor with 2.5 GHz and 2 GB graphic card of NVIDIA, 1 TB hard drive, 8 GB DDR4 RAM. It has inbuilt optical drive, DVD supportable, CD supportable, and it can read write also. It comes with Windows 10 and 15.6 HD LED display, and all other features are same of all laptops: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Let's unbox it. Here is our laptop. It also contains a power cable and adapter. Let's check it out. That's what all a box contains of HP 15 laptop. These are product guide and setup instructions. Okay, let's start the laptop. Let's power it on. As you can see, it is a HD display. It has one HDMI port, LAN port, and one 3.0 port on the right side of the laptop, and memory card reader also. And on the left side, it has one USB port of 2.0, one USB port of 3.0, and one single pin audio headphone jack.
Optical.
Yeah, it contains an optical drive on the left hand side. The computer is starting. Okay, now it's asking for basic language settings and all that. We'll do it English India, and Hindi traditional is also supported. Okay, it's for the secondary language, so we will keep it Hindi. I think we will keep it Hindi traditional. Okay, time zone. What keyboard layout would you like to use? As you can see, our laptop has started. HP wants us to register, but we will do it later. McCafe, okay, this is important thing. We have to register McCafe to get it started. So for that we need an internet connection and an email address. So first connect it to our internet connection. Okay, we are now going it to register. We have entered our email address. Here you can see our laptop has started. This desktop. Now you can see it's i5 7th generation 2.5 gigahertz running on a base frequency of 2.7 gigahertz. Install memory is 8 GB, but usable is 7.89 GB. It has 64 operating system, 64-bit, Windows 10 home. Windows already activated because we have connected to the internet.
MS ऑफिस नहीं होगा ना?
And basically there are two drives, C and D. D is for the recovery and C is
रिकवरी
the
तो बहुत सारी
entire
भरी भी हुई है ऑलरेडी.
917 GB. Okay, let's shrink it to make a 2-3 partition so that we can easily use it. Okay, now we have shrink our C drive and make a new drive, that is data drive F with 716 GB. And you can see in Windows C drive it is 162 GB still free, so it's enough for Windows 10. Okay, now let's see McCafe. Connected to net and is already updating drivers. Display driver updated. Okay, it's asking for create password. Let's create password for it. Okay, we have completed the process, and as you can see, it's displaying our subscription. It's of 30 days. Okay, let's close it. As you can see, it is backlit keyboard. There is light on the keyboard. Okay, we have started Microsoft Office Word, but it's saying if you want to try, buy or activate, but we will try. That's all guys for today. If you like my videos, Please subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thanks for watching. We will do more videos on this laptop by installing games and other softwares, so keep tuned. Thank you.